Hello, today I have Audi A7. It came with a problem. As you can see, there is a message: engine start system fault, and the symbol always on the dash. Car starting fine, keyless working. No issue with car starting, but fault always on the dash. So, first of all, try to plug diagnostic and we will see if we have any faults in system. So let's go. So I plug my diagnostic scanner and there is only fault with KC system. So we have immobilizer radial coil, communication or no signal. So this radial coil locating right here. This is emergency coil. If your keyless system not working, you can start the car to take the key right here and the car will start without keyless system. So the system indicates fault, but this coil not working. So we need to test the coil or maybe wires. So we have to take this out and see what we have to do next. So starting disassemble AC panel using plastic tools. It's holding just a clips. I put something here, not scratch underneath plastics. So this is removed. This one holding only one screw. I already remove this one 8mm screw down here. When you remove it, you just release all this and you can access to this reading coil. It holds the plastic fixators and we have connector with 3 plugs. So I look at the wiring diagrams. I think one is power supply, ground, and something communication line. So let's look at the wiring diagrams. So I opened my wiring diagrams. This is our reading coil D2. This one brown cable is ground, red gray is from fuse power supply, and this one our A209, our LIN bus. This is communication line from KC module. So first of all, we can check our power ground. If everything okay, we can check with our LIN bus with oscilloscope. So let's go check. So reader coil unplugged. I'm using only my test lamp. Simple. This is red gray wire. It should be power supply. Ignition on. This should be ground, but no glowing. And we can test with brown wire. But this one is one end at the power supply, what end and the brown cable. It's not glowing. So we do not have power supply. So we need to check the fuses. So I open it. My program for the fuse box. This is here. This one model 2014, and this is our Riedel coil D2 power supply, fuse number 4 at brown connector. This is at the passenger side fuse box. So open this cover. This is red one, this is light brown one. So we can take this cover and 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no fuse in here. Someone forgot to add fuse, or maybe our story. So I see with the 5 fuse, number 5, with power supply. There is 2 metal contacts here and here. Number 5 only one. I think that someone missed this place and change fuse not in right place. So try to add this fuse to the right place, because this place is empty, only one pin, and then we can test our power supply. So ignition one on once more. So this one power supply. Oh, here we go. We have power supply. So now we can reconnect our reading coil. It look like this. Plastic box. Just reconnect it and we will see if we have the same fault or not. So look at our diagnostic. So trying to delete. Quotes. So it's deleted, and we can try to switch ignition off. Wait a little bit and start again. So our fault is gone, problem fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.